What is happening, my Paris? What is happening? What's happening, y'all? Blessed Saturday morning from my Jamaican home. To be exact, from inside my Jamaican kitchen to your home, to your family, wherever you are, in America, Canada, Holland, Suriname, Britain, New York, Florida, wherever you are, Japan, wherever you are. Blessed Saturday morning from my Jamaican home to you all. Now today, it's morning in Jamaica now. So right here I have 2 breadfruit. And if you're new to my channel, but I know most of y'all over here on the Jamaican Debs are from over on West Indian Delights. So I would say most of you, if not all, would have seen how we roast breadfruit in Jamaica. Now this here, we're going to roast this breadfruit, one of these, but we're going to do it on West Indian Delights. In this one, we're going to show you how to roast the breadfruit on top of your stove. But with this breadfruit carries some history. And I just want to get you in on a little of that history. This one would seem to be a myth. Not sure what you'd call this. You can comment below. Now, right in camera girl, the stem of the breadfruit, this is a stem. So, if you notice when you cut it, it looks like this. It has like a C. Huh? But, when I was a child growing up, the C, it has a little, right in camera girl, I hope you can see it right in. It has a small little section here. It's not properly closed. But when I was a little girl growing up, it would be like about here. The space between from each end would be about here. So you'd have a wider section. And they would say that whenever this C closes and becomes a 0, that's going to be the end of the world. So I am not sure any of you all that have grown up in the country or you have that myth from wherever, because this breadfruit is all over in different countries. I don't know if it's called by a different name. But I am looking at it from a good time back now and I'm saying, this thing from I was a little child coming up, this thing is getting closer and closer. It's almost closed now. It is almost closed. It used to be like, definitely when I was a child, it's a C. Now it's almost a 0. What do you think? Leave it in the comments. Let's give me your suggestions. What are your thoughts? If you have any idea, if you've ever heard this story before, leave it in the comments below. I want to thank you all for your support. I want to thank you so much for taking the time to join us right here on the Debs train. And I'm asking for your continued support to share, like the videos. Yes, remember to subscribe. In order for you to do that, you've got to subscribe, which is most important. And when you subscribe, you need to click that bell there. Now, YouTube's new monetization rule is you've got to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours of time on your channel before your videos can be monetized. We are kindly asking you, and we have a deadline to meet, which is the 20th of February. So I'm asking you with your continued support to help me to reach that. Okay, y'all? Because you know information is given out. I know you like what is being done on the Debs train. We would be so elated, we'd be so glad. So we're saying to you now, it would be, we would be so grateful for you to continue share, like, and remember to subscribe. And when you do, remember to click that bell there, that as soon as another video is uploaded, you will be the first to know. Thank you all so much for your support. We're almost at 200. It's a joy, it's a pleasure. Thank you so much. And remember, never let the evil around you take control of you. Stay up on top of things.